Most designers spend hours in Figma just trying to get the basic layout right before they can even start the actual design work. Staring at a blank canvas, dragging rectangles around, trying to figure out spacing and structure. But nowadays, there's a faster way to do all of this using AI, which can cut your design time down by 90%. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how I use AI to skip the tedious parts of product design and go straight to iterating on a real editable UI that you can paste directly into Figma. All right, so let's dive in. This is how most designers start their day. You're sitting there looking at an empty canvas, trying to figure out where to even start. You know what you want to build, whether it's a dashboard, some data cards, a checkout flow, or maybe detailed error states, and now you have to build it piece by piece. Even moving fast, you're looking at an hour before you have something that looks anything like an actual UI, and that's just for the concept phase, which is the part of the design you want to be least time consuming. Most of the time, you're not trying to make a masterpiece here, you're just wanting to communicate an idea, get alignment with the team, test it with users, see if it even makes sense. But you can't do any of that until you build the thing first. Now, the way to do this quicker is actually by not using just Figma itself, but using an AI tool called Flowstep. It speeds everything up massively because you can actually create a functional UI just by entering a prompt, and Flowstep will design the whole thing for you. You can use Figma at the end to make final touches because everything you generate within Flowstep can actually be copied and pasted directly into Figma, and that is what most teams are already using today. So let's dive in and give it a go. I'll type in generate a mobile UI for a food delivery app home screen. All right, so now we have a design based on exactly what we asked for. And it's a real UI, not just an image. This is just the starting point as well. And we're going to show you how to iterate and edit on this design. By the way, if at any point in this video you want to try it for yourself, you can start using Flowstep for free using the link in the description. But let's say you want to change anything. You don't even have to go in and do that manually. You can save time on that as well. All you need to do is ask Flowstep to do it for you. For example, let's say we want to see the next screen that comes after that. All right, nice. Or let's say you want to see a different view. Each of these changes could easily take 10 minutes in Figma. With AI, seconds. Now, if you're watching this, you're probably thinking, oh, I don't want a generic AI output, I've got something specific in mind. Okay, so the good thing is you can feed Flowstep references to guide it. So let's try something completely different. You can drag in screenshots or designs that you're inspired by. Paste in your PRD, your product spec, or use the designs already on your canvas as a starting point. You just tell Flowstep to use your reference images and you don't even have to try and describe them. That's what we're gonna do right now. I want Flowstep to create the UI for an e-commerce site, something like ASOS for me. So I'm going to take a screenshot of ASOS's product page and tell it to use that as inspiration. Now the AI isn't guessing. It is working from what your vision is. You have way less back and forth and you get way closer to what you actually want on the first try. It's like having your own design assistant. And there you go. It's generated exactly what I had in my imagination and more. Getting 10 screens at once. It's a game changer. So now we've got multiple completely different screens generated by Flowstep, and it's taken what, a few minutes? In Figma, I'd still be on version 1 right now, probably staring at the same rectangle. This is what AI design tools should actually do. It's not here to replace your creativity, it's just there to speed things up for you. It helps you think 1,000 times faster. And the best part is, when you're finished designing this, you can just copy and paste it into Figma. All right, well, that was easy. I didn't need to install anything or export a file, just copy, paste, boom, done. And these are actual Figma layers now. And now I can continue editing and refining from here, and I have skipped the hours and hours that it would have taken to get to this point. Now, if you want to try this workflow, you can click the first link in the description to start using Flowstep for free. As you have seen throughout this video, I was able to quickly generate and iterate a UI just by prompting Flowstep. And then I was able to paste the design directly into Figma when I was ready to get into the finer, nittier-grittier details. So again, click the link below to get started with Flowstep for free, and if you want to see some other AI tools that you can use to create UI and UX designs, then go and watch this video next.